Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can locate closed opportunities. These would be opportunities within your command account that you have already closed, transactions that have made it to the closing table, and you may need to go back and find them. So, first, sign into command, and over on the left-hand side, click Opportunities right here. If the opportunity was closed within the last 30 days, it will actually still appear right here within your sales pipelines. Within listings, buyers, or leases, you should be able to see a closed opportunity sitting right here within the closed icon. It would give you a one in that little bubble or more, showing that it was there. You could then click into this sales pipeline and view those closed opportunities. If it is an opportunity that has been closed for more than 30 days, you would need to come here to all opportunities and make sure to use your filters. When you open your filter drawer over on the right-hand side, you can use any of these filters if you know more pieces of the information, like maybe you're looking for just listing opportunities that have been closed. But if you're looking for all closed opportunities, you can come right here to the pipeline status and choose closed. If you have any other pieces of information, like you're looking for a particular close date range, tags, contacts, again, use any of the filters that you would like. Today, we're just going to leave it to just closed and click apply. This will pull up any opportunities that you have already closed within your account. Now, we're a demo account. We haven't gotten anything to closing just yet. However, you should now see the closed opportunities on your screen. If you have any questions about how to find those closed opportunities or anything else to do with your KW platforms, we'll be more than happy to help you. Just shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.